Video, I'm going to teach you how to link your exness account to your mt5 or how to create account for those newbies that do not know. So if you want to create account, I'm not going to create account in this video. If you're going to create account, go here, this plus button, any account you want to create, standard account. If you want to create account, just change the first thing. What's the lowest minimum deposit? Minimum deposit of a standard account is $50. Cent account, minimum deposit of a cent account is $50. Pro account, minimum deposit of pro account is $500. Or this one, zero spread and other stuff. But it's advised to just go with standard account or cent anyone. But the minimum deposit is $50, $50, $50. So do the calculation and multiplying it by naira, which is around 1,003 now. I don't know. Okay, after that, after you finish creating your account and password and everything, me I'm going to use already created account because I'm not going to teach you with this demo account that I have here. I'm not going to teach you with this demo account. I'm using the demo account to test if I can flip some 3,000 to. So I'm going to use the standard account mt5. See, standard account. I'm going to press restore. So it's going to restore. See, it has restored. So I'm now in my standard account. So if you want to log it into your mt5, to your mt5 broker, press this sign here. Press no, not that sign there. That details. This place the root details. Yeah. Go to setting. Go to setting. If you go to setting, all this thing written there. If you copy your password, your server, your login. If you copy the login, you copy your server. mt5 real 7. Anyone. If it's sent account that you are going to use, or this one, if you are going to use this sent account, let me show you. This one is the sent account that I'm telling you about. This is sent is in this sent account, which you see standard sent account. So you press the details again, go to settings, copy everything here. If you copy your login, you copy your server and your password. If you go to your mt5 and go to the search bar there and paste this thing. Paste first of all, paste the server address. This server exness mt5 27. After you finish pasting it, you will see where you wrote login there. After putting your login address, you put your password. Let me try if I can do it for you. So yeah, I'm in my broker. So you go here. If you are using Android like me or iPhone will just be below here, somewhere below here. So you go to this quote, management of an account. You press plus button. You search for that. You will check the server address you copied. This server address you copied, and this your login. I'm just showing you for just tutorial. You just first of all paste your server address. You see mt5 trial 9. You say you change it. If your own is in this trial 9, trial 9 is for demo account. You change it to mt5 7, and you put your server address and you input your login password. Input your login password. After inputting your login password, you just press login. You will immediately log you in. The login password you put is when creating the account. You will see when they tell you to create a login password. That's the password that you put. That's the password that you put, not any other password. That's the password that you put there. If you put it here. Put it here in this your mt5. You will be automatically be logged in your into your mt5 into your account in this your mt5. That's it, easy peasy. And if you want to fund your account, if you want to fund the account, you press deposit. This place deposit. After you press deposit or method, if you want to use back transfer or if you want to use crypto transfer, back transfer, you select this one, back transfer. Let it just load. After you select, you see bank transfer, bank transfer one, bank transfer two, bank transfer three, and even bank card between your accounts. If somebody that is using exness want to send you exness, somebody that is using exness want to send you money to your exness account, this is all the thing that you want. Instant, this one, zero charges, zero charges, zero charges. You see bank transfer, you select it, you select the amount that you want to deposit. I want to deposit 100,000. If it's using voice ruler, that your you must be between 69,935 to 30 million. That's the lowest, that the minimum deposit is 9,000, almost 70,000. So after this is 7 US cents. After you press like 100,000, 100,000 is like 70 US cents. This is cent account. This is cent account. Let this thing not confuse you. Let me just select my real. This is $7,000. I think let me just delete some zeros there. That's this one is 10,000. This one is 100,000. This is $70, 100,000, which is $70. That's the lowest minimum deposit. And you press continue like this. You enter the account number, that you want to do the thing with. OPay, you don't see OPay. If you want to do with OPay or PalmPay, because OPay and PalmPay is mostly using Nigerian UBA and other. You select OPay, select your account number that you want to use to transfer the money. After, you see the caution, only use payment account that belongs to you. Yeah, use payment. After you press continue and do the payment. Easy peasy. Peace out, guys.